baby bus! Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Who is the water park pickpocket? Part 2.
Meow! Catch that pig! He stole my phone!
I didn't steal your phone!
Big Belly Boris shouted in a megaphone voice that echoed through FunSplash Park.
I was wrong to cut in line. I would never do something illegal like stealing. I, Big Belly Boris, am innocent!
Meow! Cut the charades! I'll teach you a lesson! Take my kissing claps!
Furious, Ms. Pickpocket the cat extended her paws and clapped them together in the water, splashing water at Big Belly Boris.
Dodge!
Big Belly Boris twisted and contorted, wriggling his butt to avoid the attack. Splash! The water drenched Officer Doberman again, just after he had finished drying out his straw hat.
Hey now, this is just not my day!
Meow. I'm sorry, Officer Doberman. It's this pig!
Me? You're the one who splashed the water!
Seeing that Big Belly Boris and Ms. Pickpocket were about to start going at each other again, Sheriff Labrador quickly stepped in to stop them.
Calm down, guys! Miss Pickpocket, what on earth is the matter? Please, slow down and tell me in detail what happened.
Ms. Pickpocket was so angry that the fur all over her body stood on end. She pointed to her empty pockets.
Meow. Okay, here's the thing, Sheriff Labrador. I noticed Big Belly Boris cut ahead of me in the line for the water slide. Then I put my phone in my pocket and argued with him. A few moments later, my phone was missing from my pocket. He must have stolen my phone, Sheriff Labrador. It was my brand new waterproof phone. It's very expensive.
Big Belly Boris immediately threw up his hands and shook his bare belly. He was wearing nothing but a pair of swimming trunks with no pockets.
I didn't do it, Sheriff Labrador. Look at me. I don't even have a pocket to hide the phone. And I went down the slide right after I argued with Miss Pickpocket. I didn't have the time to steal her phone.
Sheriff Labrador looked Big Belly Boris up and down and nodded in agreement.
He's telling the truth. There's no way Big Belly Boris can hide a phone on him. And when he came down the slide, Dobie and I were both there. We saw that he didn't have a phone in his hand.
Ms. Pickpocket the cat spun around in place with anxiety.
Meow? Then who stole my phone, Sheriff Labrador? Please help me get it back.
Don't worry. There's no case that I can't solve.
Sheriff Labrador said, and a beam of confidence flashed behind his dark, round eyes.
Miss Pickpockett's mobile phone disappeared after she argued with Big Belly Boris. And going down the slide took Big Belly Boris no more than a few minutes. The fact that the thief could steal the phone during that time means he or she was probably near Miss Pickpocket. Miss Pickpocket, did you see the animal in line behind you?
Miss Pickpocket scratched her head. She was drawing a blank.
Meow. Sheriff Labrador, I was too busy arguing with this pig to notice.
But Big Belly Boris smirked.
I remember what the animal looked like. In order to jump the line, I carefully studied every animal in line. The animal in line behind Miss Pickpocket was a monkey as thin as a rail. Oh, that's right, and a super buff lion. I guess the lion stole her phone. He looked so fierce. He even glared at me.
At that very moment, a huge animal made its way down the water slide and quickly approached them.
How dare you accuse me of stealing a phone?
The voice was that of Mr. Lloyd the Lion. Narrowing his gaze, he scowled at Big Belly Boris, paws clenched.
I, Lloyd, a champion of justice and handsome to boot, would never be a thief. This has nothing to do with me. Sheriff Labrador, you can check my pockets. The only thing you'll find is my phone. Huh? Where's my phone? That's strange. I took a call while I was in line, and then I put the phone back in my pocket.
Mr. Lloyd searched all his pockets, but couldn't find his cell phone. Then, several more animals went down the water slide and found their cell phones were missing too.
Huh? My cell phone is missing!
Dad, who stole my phone?
Hey now, Lab, what is going on here?
Sheriff Labrador's eyebrows furrowed like a pretzel in serious thought.
I guess that the thief wormed their way into the line for the water slides and stole the phones.
Oh my! Everyone lost their phones. Who was the phone thief? How did the thief steal everyone's phone? To be continued next episode.